you who are new here, my name is Southern Sophist. So as promised, I told y'all I would do a nice little final review on this hair I have in right here. Yes, So today is the day that we're gonna go ahead and lay it all out on the line about this hair, okay? So with all of that said, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so obviously if you can't tell from the title of the video, y'all, we are rocking the Zury Afro twist hair today. I do have it up in this like dreadlock sock for a reason, and I'll explain it to you guys as I start to talk about my overall review for the hair. But yeah, so this is what the packaging looks like for those of you who did not see. Why my phone always ringing? Mom. Hello? Mommy? I'll call her back. So the hair that I'm wearing today is the Zury Afro twist hair. This is what it looks like. If you guys recall from the original video, I used 1.5 packs. This hair is very full, so you don't need much of it. I've had it in now for exactly 3 weeks, I believe, today. Most of the pros that I had in my first video still stand true about the hair. Like, still looks super natural. Y'all can see it right now. Like, when I tell y'all this hair looks very natural, I would wear my hair up in this little dreadlock sock and people would be like, oh my gosh, your hair is so pretty. And I'm like, yeah, thank you. Little do they know, y'all. Little do they know this is crochet, okay? Still looks super natural even after 3 weeks. It's not frizzy. Like, it truly does look almost the same as it did when I first installed it. And y'all can see here. Like, this camera's pretty clear, okay? And you can see it. So all of that, everything I said in that first video still stands true. So I would be lying to y'all if I told y'all I had really high expectations for this hair, because as I told y'all in the first video, this hair is like dirt cheap. It's like, some people found this hair for $5.99 in the beauty supply store. They were writing me on the side like, girl, I found this for $5.99. So this hair, at most, you're paying like $11 for the whole hairstyle. So I didn't have high expectations for this hair. But when I tell you, okay, when I told you, this hair exceeded my expectations, and I'm so happy that it did, because your girl gonna be installing this again. Like, it's only right. The only thing that I want you guys to keep in mind with this hair is that it is going to mimic your natural hair. What I mean by that is, as you can see right now, I have my hair up in this little dreadlock sock, and this is how I normally would actually sleep in the hair. Like, I would, of course, have it pulled up this way, but I would sleep with the hair up like this. When I take this dreadlock sock off, the hair is gonna be stuck. It's gonna be like in a little, you know how your hair is when you take it down for the day, if you do a pineapple or you have it straight up, it's gonna be stuck. So let me just give you a little example. So if I take this off right now, the hair literally, it gets stuck like that. So you truly do have to like shake this hair out just like you would with your natural hair. Like, no lie, when I say it mimics natural hair, it really does. So, and then when you take it out, you really do have to like fluff it. Like, I really felt like I had my natural hair out, y'all, no lie. But like, once you fluff it, we back in business, okay? We back in business. But as y'all can see, we 3 weeks in, hair still looking amazing. It looks even more like my natural hair now. Like, look at that. You can't even tell. And who ain't installing this hair again? Child. I might go buy a couple packs. I mean, by a couple, I mean like 10. Now, I did not wash this hair. However, I did do apple cider vinegar rinse on my scalp with the hair installed. And I did put some water, like right at the roots, like with just like one of those little sprayer things. But I did not get this hair like soaking wet, if that makes sense. But the roots were wet. Again, no issues there. Y'all, I like, outside of the hair being stuck when I take it out of the little thing, there were no problems with this hair. And I didn't mean to clap, but I got like real passionate. I didn't have to do anything to it throughout the week. All I did was, again, put it up in that ball, up in the little dreadlock sock, and then take it down and shake it out. That's all I had to do throughout the week. I didn't have to put anything on it. When I worked out, it stood up straight just fine. It didn't have any issues. Like, I had no problems with this hair. If you're wondering whether or not you should get the hair, I definitely recommend you to get this hair. Go get it, give it a try. I think you'll love it for sure. So yep, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, this video is gonna be pretty short. I just had to come give y'all the 411 child. So yeah, if you love this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you are a new supporter, definitely hit the subscribe button before you leave me. And to my returning supporters, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. And until next time, which next time will probably be in the next couple days, but until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Have a great rest of your week or weekend, depending on where you are. And bye.